In normal mode, your fire alarm panel should have a supply present light illuminated on the panel. On activation of an alarm, such as a call point, your fire alarm panel will go into full alarm, indicated by the zones and the fire LEDs within the panel. Insert your reset key within the panel and turn anti-clockwise. Press silence, reset your call point and reset control panel. You can then remove the key and all the lights will extinguish except the supply power light. Should one of your smoke detectors be activated within your premises, as indicated here, the fire alarm panel will illuminate, showing which zone is in alarm. Press the internal silence sounders button. This will remove all sounders from sight. Take your test key, this here, insert and turn anti-clockwise. You can then reset the panel and remove the test key.